What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am heading into Dollar Tree. I need to get a couple little, like, you guys know those little things? They're like those tissue paper things that you hang down. Gator wants some of those. They're in the party section. They're like those cute little tissue paper decor pieces. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. But let's go ahead and head in and see what's new. It's kind of cute. These are little trinket dishes. Oh, I like this one. Make your dreams happen. Detour. What's this? Ooh, spring on. These are all new. They have blush, eyeshadow. What's this? This is a moisturizing color lipstick. Another blush. They have lippies. Wow, these are really cute. The 2-packs are here. More 2-packs. Wet n Wild. These are men's wipes. You get 30. Let's see if anything else is new. Nail glue, pink nail glue. These are so cute. Look at the pandas. Birdie, look at these. Oh, aren't they cute? I love them. These are little girls' nails, but I still love them. I think this is new. Vaseline Lip Therapy, Original and Rosy Lips. I wanted to see if they have any more Scoonsy items over here. They still have some of the dollar sports bras and boy short panties by Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle and Shopkins. And they still have some of these emoji socks here too. Sweet Squad. These are so cute. Excuse me. Okay, let's find the little party things I was telling you guys about. Wow, they have a lot of party favors here. Airplanes. I love these. The little shakers, the little bunnies, whistles, harmonicas, the tops, some more whistles, the little things that you slink out. I think they're called Chinese yo-yos. The mini recorders, the bracelets. And they have lots of cute little cups down there. Okay, Gator wanted, excuse us, Gator wanted these. So I got these for Bunny's birthday, and Gator really, really liked them. So they have light blue, purple, orange, pink. I think I might just do the light blue. They also have green, a bright pink. They have red, and they have black. And they also have this super cute tissue paper garlands. Oh, I bet those are so cute. They're mini, and they have lots of colors. I think I'm just gonna get the blue one though. Look at these. This is a honeycomb diamond. These are brand new. I've never seen these before. They have really, really cute party decor here. They even have birthday magnets. Those are cute. And these magnets are really good. I've gotten some of the Christmas ones before. And they have the streamers, the crepe streamers for $1. They have 2 packs. Ooh, I need to get another bag of balloons too. When I decorate for my kids, I like to blow up a few balloons. I put them in this hanging light we have. I do streamers and I do a banner. And I usually do a table scatter too. But they have lots of balloons here. But I kind of like to get this one. That way I can do different colors for whoever's birthday it is. But they have the cute little happy birthday with the number. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one though. We get 3 ounces. It doesn't tell us how many we get. And then on this side, there's even more party stuff. Okay, where should we go next? Who has back to school supplies in their store? I don't have them in my store yet. The hair aisle. I feel like there's something that I'm in here for, but I can't remember what it was. It's probably something in the impulse buy section. Did you see anything good in the impulse buy section, Birdie? No, nothing cute. Ooh, what's this? Pure silk tea tree oil and mint. Gotta smell it. Smells okay. You wanna smell? It smells kind of nice and minty.
Strong.
Yeah.
It stings.
It stings or stinks?
Stings?
Oh, I was telling everyone in the last video about this. Tell me what you think about how this hair mayonnaise smells.
Yeah.
We've gotten this before, and
I can't tell if this smells really good or really horrible.
okay, and we've gotten these two. You don't know if you like it or not?
It either smells really good or really bad. I just can't tell which one.
What about these two? Do you like these?
I love those. Those are great.
Do you think they work good or smell good or what?
Yeah, this works really good. It makes your hair really curly. And then this is really nice too. It's really moisturizing.
I think we tried the
I want another one of these.
You do?
Yeah.
I thought we had another one of these at home. We also got the little tiny edge gel from here that I think is pretty decent. And I really like the hair lotion too. I wear this a lot of times after I leave the pool. Oh, and this is another one that I like. This is a nice lotion. Well, let's see if there's anything new over here. They have new hand sanitizers. Vibrant, peaceful, and bliss. Lucky lavender, makeup for hair.
Yeah, I remember I dyed my hair once when I was, what, 8? When I was Cindy Lauper for Halloween.
Oh yeah, that just sprays in. Let's see.
Yeah, and it rinses out. They also have
And it's by Dark and Lovely. What other colors are there? Let's see. I don't know where she found it. Oh.
Pretty in Pink.
Oh yeah. These are all by Dark and Lovely. I know that brand.
Yeah.
Okay, Silver Lining.
This is the last one of the purple.
2 ounces. And then...
Oh, I think someone sprayed it right here.
Oh.
Looks like it.
Yeah. This is Lucky Lavender. Makeup for hair. Easily rinses out. And Pretty in Pink. And then they also have, by a different brand, this looks like, I don't know if this, yeah, this is Greenbrier. A semi-permanent hair color in blush. I would get one from the back if you're gonna get one. And since we're on this topic, they have Color for Him. My store still has the Colorista Fader. Last week they had the Colorista temporary or semi-temporary hair color. It was like a red, but I think it's all sold out. And then they have a bunch of these Color Easies. Dark brown, medium brown, lightest blonde, and medium auburn. Oh, I already said that. 2 medium auburns. So just, what is that, 3 colors? Yeah, 3 colors. I think Birdy wants to get one. Which one do you want to get? Purple?
Yeah.
She really wants to get the purple.
I love purple.
These are new this week. This is Raspberry by Pure Silk. This is Ultra Sensitive. And then they have Coconut. Now these used to come with a lid, but now it just has this little plastic thing. So I thought they all looked like they were missing their lids, but I guess this is how they're packaging them now. Men's Shave Cream. This is new also. Compared to Neutrogena Shave Cream. Light Lather Shave Cream. You guys let me know down in the comments if you've tried that. It's 7 ounces and it's supposed to be a dupe for Neutrogena. Nice. But all right, you guys, again, I'm out of here. Off to the next store. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.